Doctor Who star Ncuti Gatwa will be replaced as the UK's spokesperson for the Eurovision Song Contest, due to unforeseen circumstances, the BBC has said. The 32-year-old actor, who grew up in Scotland and rose to fame in sex education, had been due to reveal the points given by the UK national jury to other contestants during the competition's grand finale in Basel, Switzerland, on Saturday. He will be replaced by singer Sophie Ellis-Bextor, who is also a BBC Radio 2 DJ, the corporation said on Thursday evening, when the second semi-final took place, and the UK actor member Monday performed for the first time. Ellis-Bextor said, "I love Eurovision and it's a privilege to be part of 2025's grand final. What an honor it is to announce the UK's jury score on such a special show which always puts music front and centre. I am very much looking forward to delivering the iconic 2 points from the United Kingdom." A BBC post on X said, "Due to unforeseen circumstances, unfortunately Ncuti Gatwa is no longer able to participate as spokesperson during the grand final this weekend." Before the final on Saturday, a Eurovision-themed episode of Doctor Who, the Interstellar Song Contest, will air. The 6th episode in the current season of sci-fi hit Doctor Who will see the Doctor, Gatwa, and companion Berlinda Chandra, Virada Sethu, travelling to the 803rd Interstellar Song Contest. In the episode, the Interstellar Song Contest features planets from across the universe competing for the top prize and is co-hosted by TV and radio presenter Rylan Clark, while Irish TV host and the king of Eurovision, Graham Norton appears.